Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Always Improving Garage. This one's going to be a little bit different today. This is more of a garage slash shop maintenance video, if you will. As you can probably hear, this air hose is leaking. Seems to be leaking right about there. I've had this hose reel for a good 12 years now. So now is the time where I got to ask myself, do I repair it or do I just go ahead and replace it? So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to go ahead and make my decision. I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to edit back in the results of what I did, why I chose to do it that way. So I'll be right back. Okay, so it's actually the next day and I decided to repair it instead of replace it, for now anyway. Got the repair done, got the air turned back on. It's not leaking at all. I like how it turned out. So I'm going to show you guys what I did. Here's the bad section of hose that I cut out. And I got this fitting here. It's actually made out of stainless. And then these are called ear clamps. And this is the actual Knipex ear clamp pliers. So I'm going to go ahead and run this for as long as I can. Hopefully I can get another year out of it. At that point I'll just have to decide if I want to repair it again or if I'm going to replace the whole thing. For now, this still reaches everything in the garage, and it should be able to still reach outside of the garage as well if I need to air up a tire out there or something like that. But that's where the main issue comes in as far as the repairs go. You can only repair it so many times. Every time you got to repair this, you think if that much hose is taken out, eventually I'm not going to be able to reach everything that I was able to before. So just have to run this for now and see how it goes. That's going to do it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching.